up, everybody?
What's up? Jackson 5 crew. DeWitt Swinson over there. And Ryan Jackson over here. So, what do we want to talk about today?
We're gonna make a burping contest and see who will burp fast.
Yeah.
We gotta go get some drinks first, so wait up there, people. We're coming. Let's go.
Alright, just wait right here and just look at our cousin. Alright, let's go. Stay right here, okay? Stay right here.
Hey, I'm coming, okay?
Look at the camera.
Yep. Huh? I can't hear you. What?
Alright, we're back. Sorry, that might have took too long, but alright, here we go.
Okay.
Now, now his turn. Your turn. Oh my god! Spit it out. Do it again. Alright, now for some funny stuff by DeWitt Swinson.
Wait a minute.
No, spit, people.
Okay, check this out.
Do it to her.
Okay, we're still going to the burping contest. I'm about to go.
Oh my god, you did it all over my feet, are you?
You know, passing me my fucking.
Get off. He did it all over my Vita. He spit all over it. My god. That's friggin' disgusting.
Nobody wants to see your face. They always want to see us, not only you.
Don't you mean not only me?
No, it's for both of us.
I know, but they mostly want to see both of our faces. So we turn it like that. Fool. Hey guys, after I clean this spit off my freaking Vita, look at my swag. This is how we actually make all of our songs. Cause I have so many songs on here. And yeah. Oh, I got Sly Cooper Season Time. Oh, the new one that came out. It is so swag.
Shut up! You didn't even know what swag means.
Oh, definitely not you.
Yes I did. I was the one who brought up the word.
Yeah, I was the one who started this band, so I can end it right now.
Okay, we're ending it, people. Peace.
That's what he thinks. We're actually not. He just says that. He said that last time.
I didn't say that last time.
Did we
Shut
dance?
up.
Are we still dancing? Yeah. Oh, so hang on. Stay right there.
Outside of the porch.
Alright. Guys, our next video, we're gonna go dance on the porch. So I'm gonna end this right now, and then on the next one, we'll do this.
You girls call us if you wanna have.
Why is my face so shiny and pale? Okay, bye.
Peace out!